me all you got and I'm complete. I think that we can do this actually. I wanna get to know you good. I wanna get to know you good.
Yesterday's a million years away, so tell me if you really wanna stay. I wanna get to know you good. You're giving me a Tensy Mood.
I cannot see, where did it go wrong? Too soon, too young, I waited so long, didn't know you were gone. Did I really need to write a song?
That you knew. I thought I got to know you good.
I thought I got to know you good. I thought we had it going good. Ooh, day and night I had you on my mind. I couldn't let you get out. I couldn't let you get out of my sight. Oh, I cannot see, where did it go wrong? Too soon, too young, I waited so long, didn't know we were gone. Did I really need to write a I cannot see, where did it go wrong? Too soon, too young, I waited so long, didn't know we were gone. Did I really need to write a song? Always pick myself up when I go, when I go, when I go. It doesn't matter though, I always pick myself up when I go, when I go, when I go. Dank jullie wel. Een hele goede avond allemaal en welkom. Hartstikke leuk dat jullie er allemaal zijn.
Ja, wij zijn Fleu en geniet van deze avond. Het volgende nummer wat we spelen is Berlin Soul. Between 3 and 5, late afternoon if I remember it right. You with the big long coat, standing on the rooftop looking down at the empty road. And I saw you there, I wanted some company next to me. I knew you were my only way to feel some peace, 'cause
running through my mind, and all these rooms with no one inside. I don't know if I got all the answers now. I wanna feel complete, but I don't know how. Without you, ooh, ooh. Without you, ooh, ooh. Walking by those walls of the past, paintings of the present moving fast, thinking about the future yet don't worry about the rest, 'cause at last we're never gonna know what comes next. So I took the elevator, greet the wait a little later. You asked me, can I be your neighbor? The sun was setting low, I'm curious to see where it's gonna go. Takes to be free, but I'm running out of time, can't you see? I don't know if I got all the answers now. I wanna feel complete, but I don't know how. Without you, ooh, ooh. Without you,
matter. We got lost for a while.
times when we were wandering round, I didn't know whose hand to hold, 'cause I was trying to find my soul. But places like these keep reminding me of all these questions running through my mind, and all these rooms with no one inside. I don't know if I got all the answers now. I wanna feel complete, but I don't know how. Yeah, time is all it takes to be free, but I'm running out of time, can't you see? I don't know if I got all the answers now. I wanna feel complete, but I don't know how. Without you, without you, without you.
Itself instead.
Constantly I'm on the ticket line against me every time.
I might be gone for weeks, but I keep in check nonetheless.
Show up every day, always wanna stay living in the lane. I got enough storytelling to do. I might just make them up if I have to. Being alone has got me filled with longing, even though I'm tired of going. I get another shot of dopamine, gotta get into the scene. Stay in a pixelated smile, even distracted for a while, gotta find my style. Going on the charts, try to read the journal's headlines, but do I know it all? Try to see all superstars, no matter how high it costs. But when all is said and done, do I get it all? Haven't it all yet, losing one thing at a time, never putting anything aside. Another milestone hit, where does it fit? Maybe I'm missing something big.
Hanging around too long to count.
Too long to count.
It isn't me
that's the call, but how is that my fault? That couldn't fall. I'll go through all the charts, try to read the journal's headlines, but do I know it all? Try to see all superstars, no matter how high the cost. But when all is said and done, I go through all the charts, try to read the journal's headlines, but do I know it all? I try to see all superstars, no matter how high the cost. But when all is said and done, do I get it all?
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel. Ja, we hebben natuurlijk onlangs een EP uitgebracht. Het volgende nummer komt uit die EP. En het is Clouds.
Blow the candles out before it burns. Turn the lights on when the time occurs. Get to know each one, the next day will come eventually. And blow the candles out before it burns. Turn the lights on when the time occurs. Get to know each one, the next day will come eventually. Blow the candles out before it burns. Turn the lights on when the time occurs. Get to know each one, the next day will come eventually. It's all good, it's alright for now, but I wonder how I keep losing myself in these clouds. It's alright for now, but I wonder. Blow the candles out before it burns. Turn the lights on when the time occurs. Get to know each one, the next day will come eventually. Blow the candles out before it burns. Turn the lights on when the time occurs. Get to know each one, the next day will come eventually.
A minute to reveal, 'cause every second I see you walking round, it's getting harder to conceal.
I know that you appreciate a little time, a little space, but I can see it in your eyes as they are telling otherwise.
'Cause the way you look tonight is so magical, and the way you look at me is so magical. Just take my hand and we will leave to a magical place you never knew. And And let me ask this of you.
Whether it's morning or it's night, do you think we'll multiply? If we're falling or we're flying, will we be there in the sky? If we drink until tomorrow morning and everything rushes by, if we're going down tonight, will you be there by my side? Will you be there? Will you be there? Will you be there by my side? Will you be there? Will you be there? Will you be there by my side? If we drink until tomorrow morning and everything rushes by, if we're going down tonight, will you be there by my side?
You just gotta know, I feel incomplete without you around us on our own. Try us together, how do you think that sounds?
Come on, wear it alone, I'll grab the chance, no doubt. I'm trying to say you the thing that soon will break out. Cause now I'm still stuck with you in my mind. Cause the way you look tonight is so magical. And the way you look at me is so magical. Just take my hand and we will leave on to a magical place you never knew. And let me ask this of you.
Whether it's morning or it's night, do you think we'll multiply? And if we're falling or we're flying, will we be there in the sky? If we drink until tomorrow morning and everything rushes by, if we're going down tonight, will you be there by my side?
Just imagine us two, you know
What we'll do?
blow out the candles cause the heat is rising
In the room,
I'm losing track of time. It's like you're mystifying my mind, but the hands are so intertwined. So let's get around this clock with our souls aligned.
It's night, do you think we'll multiply? If we're falling or we're flying, will we be there in the sky? If we drink until tomorrow morning and everything rushes by, if we're going down tonight, will you be there by my side? Will you be there? Will you be there? Will you be there by my side? Will you be there? Will you be there? Will you be there by my side? If we drink until tomorrow morning and everything rushes by, if we're going down tonight, will you be there by my side?
What they got in store for us, but a room full of sounds is all I'm longing for.
Remedy, so much still unknown, unseen, but in here the lights are radiating, sharing all our energy.
Could you still find a sign if we shuffle the stars? Do we walk on the lines that draw them apart? I wanna reach where we climb and cannot fall. With an orbit of thoughts, we could dance on Mars. the world behind my mystic eyes, never seen by any other mind. Nothing more left for us to decide. Try to reach escape velocity to alternate realities. Could you still find your sign if we shout for the stars? Do we walk on the lines that draw them apart? I wanna reach where we climb and cannot fall, with an orbit of thoughts we could dance on Mars. What if our secrets are not ours to tell? What if your feelings is all that I felt? Moon is reflecting the light of the sun, still shining back on who we've become. When adrenaline's high, do you freeze or you fight? What if your soul resonates to the night? Is there another one left to decide? See the planets align, only one's a lifetime. What if that moment remains only mine? Eclipsing the feeling, embracing the ceiling, expanding my mind. Could you still find a sign if we shout for the stars? Do we walk on the lines that draw them apart? I wanna reach where we climb and cannot fall, with an orbit of thoughts we could dance on Mars.
Dank jullie wel.
Swimming, floating, risking, going, finding, losing, slowly moving.
Think they know what it's about while the world keeps spinning round, turning pages, holding on, never knowing when it's gone. Funny enough, we keep getting wiser, move to get lost from our growing desire, running around while the world's in slow motion, framed by the sounds, surrounded by ocean.
And we fill it up with our memories, and we fill it up with our thoughts. Yeah, we try to fight our anxieties
While they fight us.
Swimming, floating, risking, hoping, wishful, thinking, slowly sinking.
Think they know what it's about while the world keeps spinning round, turning pages, faking blind. Should we all just get in line? Funny enough, we keep getting wiser, we desire, running around while the world's in slow motion, framed by the sound, surrounded by ocean.
And we fill it up with our memories, and we fill it up with our thoughts. Yeah, we try to fight our anxieties while they fight us.
Out of the blue, see it coming through, turning the tide, never knowing why.
En dan zijn we nu alweer toegekomen aan ons laatste nummer.
Zo gaan die dingen.
Ja, maar voordat we gaan zingen, wil ik heel even de Songbird Sessions, oftewel IJsvogel Records, bedanken om deze avond te hosten. Dus een groot applaus voor hun. En als we dan toch bezig zijn, ik heb Moody op de drums, de gitaar Mick Jansen, de o zo mooie Tim Luiten op de basgitaar en op de prachtige vocalen Marie van den Burg.
En natuurlijk ook op de vocalen en op de keys Ludo Vliegendhart. Nou, zing lekker mee als je hem kent, hè? Checking if I belong here, the girl next to me, I'm telling her to stop drinking her beer. And the old man in front of me, losing his hopes and dreams, every day he's gaining more fear.
Looking around the subway, the boy sitting across, notifications on his phone. Socially a master, looks like he's got it all, but publicly alone.
Hey, Mr. Checker, would you like to check this out? And I'm the one with the bike, trying to hold reality. Station here, station there, but do we really care? Stop and go from A to B, we're going endlessly, and nothing's as important as our destination.
Where's my stop gonna be? I'm waiting so long, but once I figured out, I will be sitting here all day long. I'm the one with the bike, trying to hold reality. Station here, station there, but do we really care? I stop and go from A to B, we're going endlessly,
And nothing's as important as our destination.
I'm the one with the bike, trying to hold reality. Station here, station there,
But do we really care?
stop and go from A to B, we're going endlessly.
Nothing's as important as our destination.
I'm the one with the bike, trying to hold reality. Station here, station there, but do we really care? Stop and go from A to B, we're going endlessly.
Yeah, nothing's as important as our destination. Dank jullie wel.
Dank jullie wel. Wij waren Fleu en heel veel plezier zometeen bij Laura Sim.
Ja, nog heel veel plezier inderdaad. Hele fijne avond allemaal.